On behalf of the Archaeological Society of Maryland, welcome to MHT's virtual workshop in archaeology. My name is Don Housley, president of ASM. Needless to say, this is a year like no other. The pandemic has upset all of our schedules, activities, and continues to put in jeopardy even our plans for the fall and winter. We now live under the rubric of the new normal. However challenging this new normal has become, we have found new ways to stay connected through using Zoom, Team, and webinars, and importantly, for those using these apps, how to mute and unmute ourselves. ASM is grateful that MHT Director Elizabeth Hughes and Matt McKnight, Maryland's Chief Archaeologist, found a way to conduct the 2020 annual workshop in archaeology, postponed from March, by conforming to the new normal. And ASM is equally grateful to all the speakers who were able to participate in this virtual workshop and provide a variety of presentations ranging geographically from a lighthouse station at Point Lookout to a former plantation in suburban Bethesda and other sites in between. But first, just a few short reminders to ASM members watching. August the 31st is the deadline for returning Marie Award nominations, and September 10th for returning ASM election ballots. For future plans concerning the 2020 field session and ASM's annual meeting, please check our website, marylandarchaeology.org, for the updates. Thanks, and looking forward to a return to the old normal where we can see and talk with each other in person. And now, from the safety and comfort of your own home, please enjoy the workshop presentations.